Alright, we're going to talk about frequency tables. We're going to get to this in given in a second, but pretty much the top numbers, and this is usually 2 events, and I'll talk about that, but the top one is if both happens, and the bottom one is the second happened. We'll come back to that in a second. Right now, actually. Math teacher gave her tests and gave her 2 tests. 25% of the people passed both tests. 45% of them passed the first test. What was the percent of those who passed the second test given that they passed the first one? So this is a given problem, so that's the word given. Top number is if both events occur. Bottom one is if second event. So both events is if they pass the second and the first one. How many people pass both of them? So that's 25%. And then I want to know what is the percent of people passing the second one? Well, that's 42. And also the smaller number is always going to go on top. So 25 divided by 42. Well, I'll say 60%. And there you go. So the top number is if both events occur, which is the second and the first test being passed, and the bottom number is always the second event being passed. So the probability that it is Friday and student is absent is 0.03. Since there's 5 school days in a week, the probability that it's Friday is 0.2. What is the probability that the student is absent given that it's Friday? Okay, so first top number is if it's absent and Friday, so that's 0.03. Bottom number is, okay, what happens if it's Friday, which is 0.2. Remember, both over the second event. So you take 0.03 divided by 0.2, and you get 0.15. At this middle school, the probability that student takes technology and Spanish is 0.087. The probability that student takes technology is 0.68. What's the probability that student takes Spanish given that they're taking technology? So top number is both. So what's the percent of the student taking both of them? Is 0.087. And how many people are just taking technology? It's 0.68. So you take 0.087 divided by 0.68. And I'll just write out 0.128. That's good. Alright, we're going to talk about frequency tables. Hopefully you've seen them before. The numbers just mean the amount of times that it happens. Okay, so the number of children, probability. First we got to figure out the total number. 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3, so it's 30. Probability of taxi, I'm just going to leave them as fractions, so 3 over 30. Probability of cycle or walking, 8 plus 5, that's 13 over 30, and then not bus or car. So if I were to edit, so if I say bus and car, which is these two, if you just take 30 minus 13, that's 17 over 30. Alright, so we can fill in this table. 65 minus 46 minus 16 is 3. 46 plus 51 is 97. 28 minus 16 will give me this little number here, 12. 28 plus 97 plus 6, 31 minus 765, 66. So I'm just figuring out all these numbers for you. Same thing here. 1, 2 minus 39 minus 36. And that's a 31. 36 plus 41. 16 minus 39. And 41 plus 21 plus 31 plus 1, 1, 2. Okay, what is the probability that a randomly chosen student is an adult that is seated in the balcony? Adult, balcony, 37 over 205. That's good enough. Alright, find the probability that the player hit on pitch 2 and scored. Find pitch 2, scored 3 over 18. Find the probability that did not score, hit on the third pitch, did not score. 4 to 18. Was probably that a player hit on second pitch, did not score, hit on 2 out of 18. Probability that a player hit on second pitch. So how many players hit on second pitch? Well, that's 5 over 18. What's the probability that did not score? 10 over 18. What's the probability that a player hit on the second pitch given that he scored? So how many people? Top number should be both. We know this is given because it says given. Okay. Top number is if it's second pitch and scored. Second pitch and scored, that's 3. How many people scored? That's 10. That's the answer. many blue-eyed males? So this is every single one of these is over 170. There's no given problems. So how many blue-eyed males? Blue-eyed males is 25. Brown-eyed females, 35. Blue-eyed females, 13. Brown-eyed males, 39. Alright, green-eyed males. So this is 170. This is 170. This is 170. And this is 170. These are not because of the word givens there. Green-eyed males, females, green eyes, 28. 30, blue eyes, 38, female, 36, blue-eyed male, so both. For a second, so how many blue-eyed males we got? 25, and how many males we got? 94, so that goes with this one. Then we're on top as well, so how many females with brown eyes? Female, brown eye, 35. How many brown-eyed? We have 74. There we go.